What's up, guys? It's day 19 of my Funko Pop Star Wars unboxing advent calendar. Having a lot of fun with it. Trying to get Obi-Wan. Still haven't. I got a cool Yoda yesterday, though, so I'm down with that. Now, let's pick out today's. That'll make these easy. All right. Let's see what we got. Now, make sure you go check it out, because we have all of the pictures up on Instagram, as we've been taking pictures, putting them up. But we've also been doing this as videos, so you can check out all the days that we've been doing it and see what we got so far. All right. Oh, there we go. We got a snowman stormtrooper. You guys can get a better, closer look at this on Instagram. Make sure to go follow us for more there. Check out the scene stomps, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Take care.